Hello everyone. Today we're unboxing the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact. I'll be unboxing and connecting it to both the My Home and Google Home apps. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Inside the box, alongside the air purifier, you'll find the power adapter and a user manual to guide you through setup and maintenance. Don't overlook the particulate matter sensor located on the back. Remember to clean it periodically for optimal performance. Rotating the bottom grants access to the air filter, which requires regular cleaning. Keep an eye out for the filter exhaustion indicator on the display. It lights up when it's time for a replacement. Now let's explore the top control panel. Here, you can customize the backlighting modes for the control buttons and adjust the fan rotation speed. There are 3 modes: sleep, auto, and manual. Sleep mode operates quietly, while auto mode dynamically adjusts fan speed based on air quality. In manual mode, you have the flexibility to set fan speed according to your room size. For manual fan speed adjustments, you'll need to install the My Home app. Ensure your smartphone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is enabled. Once connected, you can conveniently manage the purifier from your smartphone. As you can see, the application mirrors the buttons found on the device itself, allowing you to seamlessly switch between modes and adjust fan speed remotely with just a few taps. The slider in the app allows precise adjustment of fan speed in manual mode. Additionally, you can turn it on or off remotely. The top light provides real-time air quality feedback. Next, let's integrate it with the Google Home app. Link your My Home account to Google Home to control the Purifier with your voice commands. And there you have it. With seamless integration into your smart home ecosystem, you can now enjoy clean air at your command. Hey Google, turn on air purifier.
Alright, turning on Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact.
Hey Google, turn off air purifier.
Got it. Turning Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact off.
Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care and goodbye.